Why do you need a tax plan for your business? Are you thinking your business might be too small, or, I don't see the importance, or you're not understanding why you need a tax plan? In this video, we're diving into why you need a tax plan for your business. A tax plan is basically a plan to save on taxes. So everyone should have a tax plan, not only even for your business, but as an individual as well. So that is what we dive into for the next few minutes in this video. I am Karsha Campbell. I do help construction owners, construction companies, contractors, those in the trades, helping you say goodbye to the frustration and overwhelm about the financial confusion and chaos that exists in your business. Because when there's chaos and confusion, of course, you're losing money in your business. So I help to find those money leaks, plug those money holes, helping you to increase your cash flow, and it's all connected in your business. So when you have effective systems and all in place in your business, of course, you see reduced taxes, you see increases in your cash flow, in your bank account, and so much more. So I partner with business owners, helping you to reach that new level of freedom in your business. So as I said earlier on, a tax plan is really a plan to save on taxes. So a tax plan is not when you take your receipts or take your spreadsheet to your tax preparer, in tax season and say, this is my situation, help me. That's not a plan. That is where you're just taking your numbers to your tax preparer. A plan is where you are being proactive, right? And there's so many benefits to being proactive, right? So you are meeting with your tax preparer months before, and at times it might even be different several times during the year because tax laws change, business circumstances change, the business environment changes, your situation as on the business side plus the personal side will change. So if there are changes, then again your tax plan will need to be amended, will need to be adjusted. So you are meeting with your tax preparer from early to say, okay, this is my situation. What are some strategies that I can implement from now to pay less taxes at the end of the year, when it's tax time? And it is so important that you do this because, there's so many benefits because when we meet with a tax preparer early in the year, I've seen at times certain strategies are suggested, and you're making sure that, okay, to make the strategy work, I might need to shift this in my business. I might need to ensure I'm completing this spreadsheet, keeping track of certain key numbers, and you are being proactive. And it is so important to be proactive. I can't stress it enough. So that is why it is important to have a tax plan. Meet with your tax preparer early. And a lot of times too, I've seen it, with those I partner with my clients where when we are able to connect with the tax preparer from early, we are, there's a opportunity to, be clear about certain questions, certain strategies. Is this method better than this one? Is there a potential to, save more taxes with this route? You're being advised as well of certain changes in the tax laws. You're being educated as well. So you're knowing that, okay, this was in place last year, but the governments have changed this law, so we need to change our strategy. So that is why it's so important to have that connection with a tax preparer to help you set up your business to save on taxes, set up your strategy, set up your plans. And then a tax plan is not cast in stone for sure. So like I said, things change, your situations will change, your business will change, your personal situation will change, may change as well, right? And you do know that it's intertwined. A lot of times persons say it's separated, but the decisions you make on your personal side will impact how your business is set up and as well what happens in your business. will impact the personal taxes that you pay. And that is why it is always important that you are clear and, exposing or being clear, what's the word I'm looking for? You're being open and, honest about your situation, your circumstances, so you will be directed in the best way, right? This is what's happening. This is, all that. So you are using the best strategy. So again, setting up a tax plan is something that every business should do. It doesn't matter if you're, thinking you're too small or if you just started. These are conversations as business owners, as entrepreneurs, as CEOs, you need to be having with experts, your tax experts. And I'll quickly add on that a lot of persons at times, they look for the most inexpensive way or the cheapest way to get their taxes prepared. And I'm not, as a disclaimer, I'm not here to say don't go with this person or do. I'm not saying that, man. What I'm saying is that it is important that you're not just dumping your receipts or your numbers to someone and they're just populating that tax return. You need to have a strategy to save on taxes, because when you sit and you're able to meet with that tax expert, then of course you're able to ask questions, you dive deeper into your situation, strategies are developed, and you're not going to really get that when you just leave your numbers or send this with somebody and you just get the form back. There's no discussion, there's no strategy being developed. And it's when you have that strategy and those discussions, then the opportunities are identified where you can save money. And who doesn't like to save money in their business? So that is what I'm just popping on to say, to show the importance of having a tax plan in your business. And I do encourage you, if this is something you have not started doing, that you take the steps to really start doing it. Have a conversation with a tax preparer who can definitely help your tax expert. And you might not, if you're in a situation you're not too sure, then of course you can reach out to me and I'll be happy to chat with you and, direct you and say, okay, this is what the suggestions are from there. So if this is where you're at, or if you know another business owner, another business colleague who is having this situation, let's reach out and talk for sure. So signing up, please don't forget the importance of having a tax plan, a tax strategy in your business. And I am Kirsha Campbell, helping you to move from financial chaos to cash flow and so much more in your business. So until next time, you sign up, guys. Bye.